Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In previous video, we have discussed about positional argument in Python, and in this video, we are going to learn about what is keyword argument and how we can use it. So let's get started. Keyword argument means we can pass the arguments in the form of key and value pair, so that no need to remember the order. So let us take an example. I will create a function here. Let's say def display, and here let's say I will receive three values, that is name and age and gender, and I will simply display this value. So I'll write a print function here, and inside it I'll write name is, then comma name, and now I will copy it and paste it below three times, and instead of name I will write here age is, that is age, and here I will write gender is, that is gender is gender. Now I will simply call this function, and here I will write here display, and now we need to pass the values or arguments here. So here we can pass the arguments in the form of key and value pair. So I will write here name is the key, and the value, let's say I will write here Hari, so this is the value, and then I will pass here age is equals to, I'll write here let's say 23, and gender is equals to, let's say m. Okay, so this is the format of passing the values in keyword argument. Okay, so this is known as key and value pair. This name is key, and this is value. Okay, so in this way we can pass the arguments. Okay, so this is known as keyword argument. So here the order does not matter. So let us run this file. So I'll run this file now. Then you can see it is printing name is Hari, age is 23, and gender is m. So now if I alter the order, let's say I will cut this name from here, and I will paste that after this age, and now if I run this file again, let me clear the terminal first, and now I will run this file again. Then you can see it is printing the same thing, that is name is Hari, age is 23, and gender is male. So that means here the order of argument does not matter. You can pass the arguments in any order, but you need to maintain the name of the key should be same as the variable name mentioned here. Okay, so let me change any name. So if I change here, let's say the age, if I remove this e from this age, and here it is age. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see, let me clear the terminal first. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see it is throwing an error. Okay, so that's why the key must be same as the variable mentioned, or as the variable we have used in the function definition. So that's why I will make it as age. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see it is working fine. Okay, so this is the keyword argument. So this is it for now. We will discuss about a variable length argument in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.